Hey, what's going on? Todd Shaw, the Sawdust Dude, looking for an awesome portable micro shop. You got a small shop but need a table saw? I got the answer for you. Hey, what's going on? Todd Shaw, the Sawdust Dude. I want to talk to you about an awesome table saw. It's a contractor saw, portable saw, whatever you want to call it. It delivers. Once again, here we go. This is not a paid endorsement. This is something that I love. This is something that I use. This is a saw that is a year old, so I put it through the ringer. So talking about the Dewalt 10-inch portable contractor saw is what we used to call these things. And I love this thing because it moves so easy, one-handed, even a child. So it's a great portable contractor saw, and love the easy setup. Just I purchased this with a stand, but you just pop these down like this, bada bing, bada boom, and then these just press in, or as we say in the South, you mash them in. And then from here, I just take my foot, put some pressure back, put one foot here, and boom, just like that. We are set up in business. And it's really not so heavy you can't pick it up and just kind of move it around. Real strong table saw. I love this thing. Like I said, I put it through the ringer. Thing that I really like about it, over on this side, Jason, if you'll come over here, we've got the lock for the fence guard, and it rolls real easily from in here. And over on this side, and you can remove the fence guard just like that, adjust it to different positions. You lock it in place. When it's in that that other spot here, the second tab, then here is where it zeroes out. And so the ruler along this side, the measuring guide, and we're looking at the yellow one at this point, the Dewalt yellow. And so I come back in here and then just lock it back in place. And of course, just like most table saws, I've got the lift for the blade this way. Lock it out if you're gonna do miter cuts, locking it into place there. And that works well. And then from in there, and then as I said earlier, from in here, where the miter fence is on the second tab, I can unbolt it this way, move it out, lock it in the third and final position, and then that's where I go from start going out this way. So it'll go out to 32 inches actually. Now when you've got it out that far, and even farther than that, but when you've got it out that far, you know, you don't want your piece to lay down. Dewalt's even thought about the solution to that. It's got a fold down piece, and now this is level with my table saw top, and so my piece can just ride along there real smoothly. And so I really like that. Move it back into my normal operating position. So from here, unlock it, move it in here this way. So if I'm doing an in-close cut, kind of like I said with the chop saw or the miter saw, anytime it's in the yellow, you don't want to put your fingers near that, but Dewalt's even thought about it real quickly. I'm pushing a piece through this way. I get so close, and then I just take my push and push it on through this way. Yeah, and as you can see, I got the Travis or somebody, or it could have been me, you know. Well, come to think about it, it was me. I did it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. But yeah, I had the fence too close to the blade, and guess what? We were just trying to rip something down. I tried, you know. I'm just doing my best, really. I'm just a working girl, just trying to make my best. But anyway, so works out real good there. Over here, of course, this unplugged. Let me lift this all the way up. Over here, I used to call these shark fins, but it's a riving knife, and somewhere over here, yep, over here on the side, and I push this out, and the riving knife comes right out. Kind of looks like So anyway, that opens up, pops back in. And the riving knife, when you're ripping down a board, it just kind of keeps it from kicking back, keeps the board separated. And I usually leave that in there when I'm ripping it down. Everything's real handy. It's got a little spot here for your cords to roll up over here. And trying to think what else. Yeah, it's got a nice exhaust port. And so you can hook up your exhaust system, your dust collection system. Everything mounts up there, your little miter, push bar goes back in there. Just like that. So, Dewalt 10-inch portable table saw. And I tell you what, I really like it because my micro shop, sometimes I use the table saw in here and not always the bandsaw or the chop saw. But in most woodworking shops, you've got the in the middle of the shop, it's like you always got a permanent a table saw station. But in a small shop, that's just not the thing to do. And because you got a permanent fixture in there and you're trying to always work around it. That's what I like about this. So if I'm in my shop, I need to rip down some wood. That's the thing to do. I've built sleds for this and everything else. So it works just like a full-blown cabinet maker saw, if you want to call it that. But the Dewalt portable 10-inch table saw, it's an awesome piece of equipment. Like I said, I've had it for over a year. It works great, guys. So I feel real confident that it'll do the same for you. Thanks for watching the Sawdust Dude. Remember, hit that subscribe and like button. Leave a comment below if it helps out. The ringing bell notification kind of lets you be hooked up to what we're doing. So I'll see you real soon, and thanks for watching the Sawdust Dude.